Hello from the American University of Iraq, Suleimani. My name is Aiste, and I am the admissions director here at AUIS. And today it is truly my joy to tell you more about our university and what we can offer you. Apply now and start your studies at AUIS either in November or in February. And if you have any questions, please visit us here in our admissions office and we'll try to help you as much as we can. Here at AUIS, we have many programs to offer you. Various engineering majors, business administration, IT, with our newest cybersecurity and AI programs. One of our newest colleges is the College of Dentistry. In addition to that major, we also offer you to consider Social Sciences Department that offers programs like Law, International Relations, and International Studies, or an English department where you can study journalism and English literature or translation. We also take pride in our new College of Pharmacy. That said, you can also study medical health sciences at AUIS or many other majors and minors, which you can find all on our website.